Looking for creative ways to bring some Thanksgiving spirit into your home? How about trying some fun and easy turkey decorations that everyone will love? Whether you're hosting a big dinner or just want to add a festive touch, these turkey-themed ideas are sure to make your Thanksgiving memorable. Ready to start crafting? Let's dive into some adorable turkey decoration ideas. How can I create a DIY turkey centerpiece for my Thanksgiving table? Adding a homemade turkey centerpiece is a fantastic way to make your Thanksgiving table feel warm and inviting. Start with a pumpkin as the base and use Dollar Tree or craft store supplies like colorful felt, googly eyes, and feathers to create a cute turkey face and feathers on top. Alternatively, craft a rustic centerpiece by using small pine cones and attaching paper feathers and googly eyes to transform them into mini turkeys for each place setting. You can also make a turkey using a clear vase filled with layers of dried corn, beans, and nuts, adding feathers and a paper turkey face for a unique harvest-inspired look. Inspired to try these turkey centerpieces? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. What are some kid-friendly turkey crafts that add fun to Thanksgiving? Get kids involved in the holiday fun with these adorable, easy-to-make turkey crafts that double as decor. Try handprint turkeys. Have kids trace their hands on colored paper, cut them out, and decorate with googly eyes, feathers, and markers for a personal turkey creation. Make turkey hats. Cut out a headband from brown paper and let kids add paper feathers, a beak, and eyes. They'll love wearing these and showing off their Thanksgiving spirit. Create turkey pine cones. Kids can add feathers to the back of pine cones and glue on small eyes and a paper beak to make little turkey figurines. Love these kid-friendly ideas? Drop a comment and let us know which one you're trying this Thanksgiving. How can I decorate my front door with a turkey theme for Thanksgiving? Welcome your guests with a festive turkey-themed front door decoration that sets the tone for a warm Thanksgiving gathering. Start with a wreath base and add colorful faux feathers, burlap ribbon, and googly eyes to create a big, welcoming turkey face right on your front door. Use a large paper or felt cutout of a turkey, add a bow for flair, and attach it to a foam wreath base for a unique twist on a traditional Thanksgiving wreath. Consider making a turkey feather door by taping large paper feathers around the edges of your door to form the turkey's fan, then adding a face in the middle for a cheerful holiday vibe. Excited to welcome guests with a turkey-themed door? Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decorating ideas. What are some easy turkey place card ideas for Thanksgiving dinner? Make your Thanksgiving table setting even more special with turkey-themed place cards that are easy to make and add a touch of fun. Use small pumpkins or gourds as place cards by adding paper feathers and a turkey face. Then write each guest's name on the pumpkin for a personalized touch. Cut out turkey shapes from colored paper and use a clip to hold a small name tag in each turkey's beak. This quick DIY looks cute and keeps your table organized. For a crafty option, make clothespin turkeys by attaching paper feathers, a beak, and eyes to each clothespin. Clip them to napkins or plates for a creative table setting. Like these creative place card ideas? Check out the description for a playlist with more Thanksgiving ideas. How can I make turkey decorations for my Thanksgiving wall or mantle? Add a festive turkey display to your wall or mantle with these easy DIY ideas that bring warmth and holiday cheer to your home. Create a gratitude turkey by hanging a large paper turkey on the wall and adding feathers where guests can write what they're thankful for. Perfect for family gatherings. Make turkey garlands using felt or paper cutouts and string them together to hang across your mantle or along the wall for a playful, colorful touch. For a rustic vibe, craft wooden turkeys by painting wood slices, adding eyes, and gluing feathers to the back. Arrange them on the mantle for a natural, warm decor piece. Want more DIY decor? Check the description for links to similar Thanksgiving videos. Are there simple outdoor turkey decorations I can make for Thanksgiving? Give your yard a touch of Thanksgiving charm with these easy outdoor turkey decoration ideas. Make yard turkeys by painting wooden pallets or wood cutouts as turkeys and adding large, colorful feathers for a standout holiday display on your lawn. Use straw bales as a base for a turkey scene. Add a pumpkin for the body, attach cardboard or wooden feathers, and use a paintbrush to create a turkey face. For a whimsical look, make balloon turkeys by tying colored balloons together to resemble feathers and attaching them to a yard stake. Add a face for an outdoor decoration that will make everyone smile. Love decorating outdoors? Make sure to like this video and subscribe for even more ideas. What are some unique turkey decoration ideas for outdoor spaces? Why not spread the Thanksgiving cheer outside? Here are some unique turkey decoration ideas to bring a festive look to your porch, yard, or garden. Turkey yard signs. Use large, colorful turkey signs or cutouts in your yard to welcome guests. These signs add a bit of fun and make your home feel festive before people even step inside. Pumpkin turkey display. Stack pumpkins to create a turkey shape. One large pumpkin for the body and a smaller one for the head. Paint or add cutouts for eyes, a beak, and feathers to complete the look. It's a unique, seasonal twist on traditional yard decor. Turkey door hanger. Hang a turkey-shaped door decoration on your front door. You can find wreath-style turkey hangers or even create one yourself using fall foliage, feathers, and ribbon for a welcoming touch. If you're excited to add a turkey to your outdoor space, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the description for links to some of my favorite outdoor Thanksgiving decor. From adorable turkey centerpieces to colorful yard displays, these DIY turkey decorations are perfect for bringing Thanksgiving cheer into your home. Whether you're crafting with the family or preparing for guests, these ideas make it easy to create a memorable and festive holiday. Which turkey decoration will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and happy decorating!